Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. In this session, we will see how to install IntelliJ IDE for Python programming. How to install IntelliJ IDE on Windows machine. We are using IntelliJ IDE as per the industry. Most of the development and automation scripting are being done using IntelliJ IDE. So, for downloading the IntelliJ IDE, we have to go to the below URL, download the latest version, run the installer, setting up the Python plugin, and then changing the interpreter used. On Chrome browser, write download IntelliJ IDE. So friends, you will see a URL like this, www.jetbrains.com. Click on this URL. It will take you to this IntelliJ official website for downloading IntelliJ IDE. So guys, you will note here there are the two versions, Ultimate and Community. So friend, Ultimate Edition comes with 30 days trial. After the 30 days trial, it will ask for the license. Whereas Community Edition is open source. It is free to use. So we will use the Community Edition. Go to .exe, download window.exe file. Wait till the download is successful. It will take few seconds. So friends, when the download is successful, simply click on Show in Folder. Go to the path where it is downloaded. Don't have to do anything, just double click on this exe file. So friends, a dialog box like this will appear. Click to continue. So this path is the default path where the IntelliJ IDE will be installed. You can change the path location as well. And before that, you have to also check whether the space is available or not. So this is a heavy software. It requires 1.6 GB of the free space. So we will proceed with this path only. Click on next. Click on 64-bit launcher. Next. Install. Wait till installation is finished. So friends, after installation is finished, it will show a dialog box like this. Click on finish. Now once you have clicked on finish, go to your desktop. You will see an icon like this. Installed in your machine. Go to your desktop and you will see an icon like this. Simply double click this icon to launch IntelliJ IDE. So this is the latest IDE installed in our machine. Click on new project. Select the Python and Python SDK. Click on next. Give your project name. Let me say it's test Python. Enter. After you click enter, it will create a Python project like this. Python folder is created here and it will have external libraries and other files. So friends, if you are first time installing IntelliJ in your machine, because in my machine it was already installed, to show you guys I have reinstalled it, I will show you some necessary steps that need to be performed after this window is launched. To make the IntelliJ IDE understand Python, you must have Python plugin installed in it. To install the Python plugin, so to open the setting, you have to press Ctrl Alt and S. Here you have to go and inspect. Go to the plugins and you have to check this Python Community Edition plugin. So this should be installed in your machine. So it's already updated. I will not do it again. But if you are first time using the IntelliJ IDE, you have to download it. Then Click on apply and OK. Now, after this has been done, after the plugin has been successfully installed, again you have to go to the setting. You have to go to the Python console, click on the Python console, and you will see here Python interpreter. Now IntelliJ IDE, what it does, as soon as you click on the Python project, it will download the Python in its package itself. Now you will have two Python exe file in your system, one that comes with IntelliJ IDE and the other that you have manually installed in your machine. To check whether Python has been installed in your machine or not, go to the CMD, write py, and you will see this. If this is coming, it means Python is installed in your machine. So while coding in Python, we have to use the Python that is being installed in our machine, not that comes with IntelliJ IDE. For that, what we will do, we will specify the interpreter that we are using. So let me click on this interpreter. Now we will go to the Python that is installed in my machine. Okay, so you can see C program files Python. This I have installed manually, so I'll click on this. You will see two Python here. Okay, you will see the Python that comes with the project, okay, and the one that I have manually installed. So I will use the Python that I have manually installed in my machine. So I'll just click on this, click on apply, and click on OK. Now our test project is all set. To start the programming, let me first create a new Python file. Right click, new, go to the Python file and just give demo test name. Write any statement and try to print to check everything is working fine or not. So we'll right click it and run as. So now friends, in the console you can see hello world is perfectly being printed. So now our IDE is all set to start programming in Python. Thank you friends for watching this video. Kindly like, comment and subscribe our channel for further updates.